Hey everyone, I just wanted to share another chicken coop hack today with you. As I mentioned maybe in one of the other videos, as far as waters, we have two waters here. We have one back there that just has these little kind of horizontal chicken nipples on it, and that one's got a heater in the bottom that we use primarily in the wintertime. We also keep it full in the summertime. But what we found is that the chickens really like this bucket style. Now these don't do as well in the winter because they will freeze up. But in the summertime, they always drain this bucket way before they actually go and use that one. And you'll notice they always prefer this one cup style versus all the other options that they have. So what we do is, this bucket though, being inside here, is kind of a little bit more difficult to fill up. We got to carry it out of here over to the hose and fill it up once a week or so. So I actually looked around and found online this, here, let me see if I can take it off. It's essentially like a little cattle valve style. I don't know if you can see it down in there. It's got a little float. This little 1/4-inch line comes in, and it has a little float that will allow the water to fill up to that point, and then the float will turn it off. So now we just have that blue line snaked outside and then over to where we hook it up to a hose. And I suppose you could hook this up to just a gravity-fed rain barrel or anything. But the nice thing about it is you just hook it up for about a minute, it'll fill it right back up here, and it'll turn off, and we're good to go for another week. So it sure beats kind of carrying this really heavy bucket out and sloshing it around and spilling it and knocking these buckets on stuff. So just wanted to share that with you. I think this whole assembly, I mean, it's pretty cheaply made. It's just plastic, but for the summertime, it seems to work fine. It seals up really well. I think the whole thing was like 10 bucks or something off Amazon. If I think about it, I'll put a link. And it actually came with a shutoff valve and all the tubing that you need to hook it up. So anyway, just wanted to share that. Hope that might help you guys out. It really helps. You can put a bucket basically wherever you want in a remote location, and just fill it up from a hose or a rain barrel. We plan to put a rain barrel out there in the future to just feed this automatically. That way we never have to top it off in the summer. So anyway, hope that helps. If it does, kind of like, comment, subscribe, and ask any questions you have. Thanks. Bye.